Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and connect AliExpress to Shopify. You want to first go ahead and create an AliExpress account, okay? Do that and then you want to start looking for winning products. So you need to download this app to your Shopify, okay? Which is called Oberlo. Add this and then what you want to do once you have added it, you want to click on the Find Products button using the app, okay? And search for the products you want to add, right? Choose AliExpress and then go ahead and simply press import list, okay? To just import the products to your store. And you can go ahead and write a new product description, add product images. You can as well set prices for your Shopify store. You can also automatically, choose to update the inventory levels for your product as well. And it's really that easy and simple.